I had keto cream for the first time, probably in January of 2016. It was the first product that Pruvit came out with. And I thought, this is really great, because you hear of people putting coconut oil or MCT oil in their coffee, but it's usually a liquid oil. But keto cream is a powder. It's a combination of coconut oil powder and MCT oil powder. And it's flavored and it's delicious. I personally love keto cream because that's what I have for breakfast. I used to have a larger breakfast, and now I take advantage of that overnight fasting. And then I have keto cream, and it will further boost your ketone levels. But the MCT and the coconut oil will be taken up, and part of it will be converted to ketones. So it's a great way to get off to a start in the morning without adding sugar, to your coffee. And I'm not hungry for 3 or 4 hours after I take it. Fasting isn't easy. It's easier than people think it might be, though. I've done the keto reboot, where you fast for 60 hours, and it's pretty intense. You're drinking liquids, you're drinking ketone salts and teas and broth. And, I think really keto cream could actually fit into that. It's called a fat fast. Like if you break an overnight fast by eating fat only, it is sometimes called a fat fast because it continues to fast and it actually helps increase ketone levels further a little faster. So it's really a great product.